Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson. My name is Nicole, and today we are going to learn some useful Cantonese phrases related to dim sum. I'll start by reading a short journal entry, and then we'll break down the key vocabularies. Let's get started. 我今日朝早帶咗我嘅外國朋友去市中心最出名嘅茶樓食點心。由於今日係週末，我哋排咗半個鐘頭先有位坐。坐低之後嘅第一件事係叫咗一壺龍井茶。我哋點咗好多經典嘅點心，有蝦餃、燒賣、鳳爪、魚蛋同叉燒包。點心嚟齊之後，我逐一為佢介紹。好可惜，佢唔可以試蝦餃，因為佢對蝦敏感。我問佢最鍾意邊一個，佢話係叉燒包。因為口感鬆軟，肉質香甜。食完鹹嘅，我哋開始食甜嘅。我哋點咗椰汁西米糕同蛋撻。比起椰汁西米糕，佢更加鍾意食蛋撻，外面鬆脆，內裏嫩滑。我反而比較鍾意椰汁西米糕，混合咗椰香同香草味，非常彈牙。今日唔單止係佢人生第一次食點心，亦都係佢第一次用筷子。雖然開始嘅時候有啲手忙腳亂，但係最後都成功咗。今日真係好有意義，好滿足。The vocabularies you'll be learning in this lesson are 市中心、茶樓、食點心、排隊、一壺茶、經典、敏感、鹹、甜、筷子。Now let's go over the keywords from the journal entry. First, we have 市中心，市中心 which means city center. Here's a sample sentence. 呢間茶樓係市中心最出名嘅。It means this dim sum restaurant is the most famous in the city center. Next, 茶樓，茶樓 which refers to a restaurant that serves dim sum. 茶樓係香港飲食文化中重要嘅一部分。Dim sum restaurants are an important part of Hong Kong's food culture. Moving on. 食點心，食點心 meaning to eat dim sum. 食點心都叫飲茶。Eating dim sum also called 飲茶。Now let's talk about 排隊，排隊which means to line up. 因為點心係受歡迎嘅早餐，所以通常去茶樓都要排隊。Because dim sum is a popular breakfast, we usually have to line up when we go to the dim sum restaurant. Another key vocabulary is 一壺茶，一壺茶 which means a pot of tea. In Cantonese culture, when we go to dim sum, we usually drink tea, which is why we refer to eating dim sum as 飲茶. Yum means to drink, and 茶 means tea. So, 飲茶 literally means drinking tea. This term reflects the tradition of enjoying tea alongside dim sum. Tea is often served in a pot. The word 壺 is a classifier used for a pot. Tea is usually shared among people at the table. Here's a sample sentence. 我每次去飲茶都會叫一壺龍井茶。Every time I go for dim sum, I always order a pot of dragon well tea. Let's move on to 經典，經典 meaning classic. 燒賣係經典嘅點心之一。Ground pork dumpling is one of the classic dim sum dishes. Now we have 敏感，敏感 meaning allergy. 我對蝦敏感。I am allergic to shrimp. Another important word is 鹹， 鹹 It means salty. 呢個叉燒包有啲鹹 This barbecue pork bun is a little bit salty. Following that, we have 甜 It means sweet. 呢個椰汁西味糕好好味，唔會太甜。This coconut sagu pudding is very delicious, not too sweet. Lastly, we have 筷子 which means chopsticks. 唔該，我想要一對筷子。I would like to have a pair of chopsticks, please. Let's quickly review the vocabularies we covered today. Please repeat after me. 市中心 City Center 茶樓 Dim Sum Restaurant 食點心 To eat dim sum 排隊 To line up 一壺茶 A pot of tea 經典 Classic 敏感 Allergy 鹹 Salty 甜 Sweet 筷子 Chopstick Before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. I'll describe the phrase and you'll try to guess what it is. Take a moment to think about it and then I'll review the answer. First question. 食點心嘅餐廳係叫咩? What is the restaurant that serves dim sums called? The answer is 茶樓 Dim Sum Restaurant. 食點心嘅餐廳係叫茶樓 A restaurant that serves dim sum is called 茶樓 Second question. 呢個係指你去到茶樓要等先輪到你 This refers to the act of waiting your turn when you go to the dim sum restaurant. The answer is 排隊 To line up. Next question. 呢個係指我食咗某樣嘢之後會有不良反應 This refers to having an adverse reaction after eating something. The answer is 敏感 Allergy. Another question. 我哋通常喺茶樓飲咩? What do we usually drink at dim sum restaurant? The answer is 一壺茶 A pot of tea. 我哋通常喺茶樓飲一壺茶 We usually drink a pot of tea at dim sum restaurant. Moving on. 飲茶係指咩? What does drinking tea refers to? The answer is 食點心 To eat dim sum. 飲茶 refers to 食點心 Next. 呢個地方係喺城市入面人流最多嘅地方 This place is where the most foot traffic is in the city. The answer is 市中心 City Center. 市中心係城市人流最多嘅地方 City center is where the most foot traffic is in the city. Another question. 鹽係咩味? What does salt taste like? The answer is 鹹 Salty. 鹽係鹹味 Salt tastes salty. Let's try this one. 糖係咩味? What does sugar taste like? The answer is 甜 Sweet. Last question. 傳統嘅中國餐具係咩? What is a traditional Chinese utensil? The answer is 筷子 Chopsticks. 傳統嘅中國餐具係筷子 The traditional Chinese utensil is chopsticks. How did you do? Let me know in the comments below how many you got right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to download the notes I've prepared for this lesson in the description below so you can study along. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!